What is an amazing movie that has a god-awful sequel? American Psycho 2. Didn't even start as a sequel, but they decided to make it one for a quick buck. Why the fuck did I believe you for like a full minute? TL. Dr. Mila Kunis stated she was horrified by the fact she made this film and was happy it went straight to video. I loved The Mummy Return, but the third one was just horrible. Oh god, we just watched Surf's Up 2 that was paid for by the WWE. If it hasn't been mentioned yet, they destroyed Disney's Atlantis with Atlantis 2. There should have only been one. I think it was called The Bus That Couldn't Slow Down. This thread might as well be movies I didn't know had sequels.